Hai guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Salsabila Novianti Rizky. I'm from Group 6. Today, me and my friend want to present our poster. The title is The Power of Code Mixing in Modern Communication. Do you guys know what is code mixing? In sociolinguistics, code mixing is a linguistic phenomenon that occurs when a speaker uses more than one language in a single speech situation. This phenomenon is very common in bilingual or multilingual societies, especially in school, where peer interactions are influenced by popular culture, social media, and global interaction. In school environments, students often mix their language that they master informally. This phenomenon is interesting to explain because it shows how language is not used only a means of communication but also as an expression and identity and social affiliation. One real example is a student named Safiera, who often mixes Korean, English, and Indonesian in everyday conversation.
Hello guys, first let me introduce myself. My name is Arika Mugi Rahayu. Following the introduction about the general concept of code mixing in a school setting and the example of a student named Kaviera, now let's take a closer look at the types of code mixing found in her speech. Now we go to types of code mixing. According to the classification by Myskin 2000 and Hoffman 1991, code mixing can be divided into the three main types. First, insertion. Two, alternation, and co-region lexicalization. First, insertion, which refers to inserting elements from a language into the structure of another. For example, oh, the text is really hard. I need some healing first. Here, the English word healing is inserted into an Indonesian sentence. For the second, alternation, which involves switching between languages within a single utterance. For example, the talk is not finished yet. No, Mama, no, I'm so tired. Kaviera shifts from Indonesian to Korean, then to English. And third, is a congruent lexicalization, where elements from different languages are used within the same grammatical structure. For instance, hey, have you downloaded the MV? It's really aesthetic. This sentence follows an Indonesian structure but means vocabulary from English. Okay guys, this example shows that code mixing is not random, but follows recognizable patterns and reflects how students like Kaviera use language creatively to express identity and social connection.
Hi, this is Rifa RPA Putri, and here I will tell you the conclusion of this poster. So, as you can see, Safiera's case shows that code mixing at school is not just about speaking, it also shows who we are, and it can help us more comfortable and more closer to the others, and it also shows the effects of global culture. So instead of thinking that's a mistake, we should see it as a part of complex language situations. That's why it's important for the teachers to understand the students so they can support students in a more friendly and a suitable way. I think that's all from our groups.
Thank you for your attention. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.